Shit, we queued for rank. It's sure taking a while.
Waiting for another carrier, I'd say.
Probably.
User joined your channel.
Hello, user.
Hello, loser.
Hey.
Hey there, Quinn.
What's up?
Now we're gonna have this on LOM's website saying, "Hello, loser." I got Frab's camera going right now and it's recording everything.
So you got Overwolf for me, huh?
It's even recording my music. Am I gonna get sued by the record companies now? Because I'm recording?
Maybe.
Only if you distribute for yourself.
Alright, I say we play this typically, normally how we do. We'll cruise down and hit the 1-2 line.
Going in a quarter.
I'm going to use the island as a block. Pop out, do some damage, then run away.
Good idea. All torch loaded.
1 second, guys.
Hey Nugget, if you want to run the inside, I can cover you. Run the inside, jump on that cab.
This cruiser in front looks like he's going to do it.
I'm gonna try to give him some cover fire because it looks like there's a Zoomy in the back in the North Carolina and their Ranger. Clean up. Good AA fire on that, Nog.
10-4.
Start blasting them fuckers. There you go.
I've already killed 3.
Watch out, Nog. Torps.
3 cruisers and a battleship over here.
I'm on it. All guns to bear. incapacitation on the rudder. That's it. Turn right into him. Silly rabbit, tricky for kids.
5 more seconds.
AP out on the Otago.
I'm shooting the middle.
Okay. Oh, that would have been a perfect citadel. Larry, did you kill him?
No.
Good job on the cat nog. Pulling back on the battleships. Be careful, you got a turbot over there. Switch to AP. Coming in, Nog. Larry, can you get your guns to bear on Nog? He's got an Otago or something coming at him.
Yeah, I'm dealing with trippets there now, yes. I'll try.
Alright, I'm gonna put some AT on.
Our team has taken the lead.
Center range. Nog, can you pull back?
He's grounded.
Who's grounded? Nog's grounded?
By the looks of it.
Shit, he's got torp bombers on him. Alright, looks like they're all gonna try to come into base. Nog, oh, fuck.
Yeah, I screwed myself.
Wow, whoever led that shot bad.
I can't complain. Can't complain for the little time I was in this. 34 hits, 10 planes down, 2 pacifitates.
That's it, come into that base.
Our team has taken the lead.
Mortar's out on the Azuma. I just hit a torp on it.
Reloading. Shit, he's running slower.
Looking good on your torps.
Huh?
Looking good on your Otago on the
Nah,
torps.
they're gonna miss him. He just sped up. Come on, guys, rotate.
Our team has taken the lead.
Last repair kit being used.
Yeah, me too. Come on, really, guys?
Not good.
No, I'm on fire again now.
Our team has taken the lead.
Sir, be hurt.
Oh, you mean my bean? Yeah, your fresh brewed McCafe coffee. No, I think you mean my mojo. My Java, my morning joke. Okay, I get it. You want to use coffee slang. Well, let's drink this toasty roasty, Joe, bro. Oh, time.
So you want to throw HE, homo?
Smooth, fresh. And now get any size McCafe coffee for just $1. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Time off. There are hundreds of auto manufacturers all making cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. How do you is the best offer? Which one has the best prices?
Our victory is in sight.
12 franchises at 8 locations, all conveniently located on Route 17 and
He's not a homo, he's a bobo.
Each franchise has a new car
Anybody
special
remember that?
stage.
Dead.
These are a huge manufacturer incentive that will save big bucks off MSRP.
Pwn.